Welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. And Demi. Let's learn Next Girl. 32 count, 2 walls, 1 restart on wall 5 after 16 counts. Here we go. Here's a preview of the steps. Starts with the right foot, weight on left. So it's right heel, left heel. Then we twist your hips right, left, as we turn a quarter over our left shoulder on the ball of our heels. So twist and twist and. Then we do it again. Right heel, left heel, twist, twist. Then a right lock, step, scuff, left, lock, step, scuff, stomp, heel, toe, stomp, heel, toe, heel, and restart. Again, heel, heel, twist, twist, heel, heel, twist, twist, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, stomp, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel. Just 2 walls, 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Here we go. From the top, first 8. First 8. Right heel, left heel. Right heel, left heel, twist. Right, left, repeat. Right heel, twist. Right, left, left. With words and then with counts. With the right foot, with words. 5, 6, right heel, and right heel, left heel, and twist and turn, twist and turn. Right heel, left heel, twist and turn, twist and turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third 8. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. With counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brush, brush or a scuff. Last 8, stomp right, left foot moves towards the right foot, doing a heel, toe, heel, swivel. So heel, toe, heel. Yes. Now, don't put your weight on it because you're going to pick it up and do it the same thing with all your weight on your left. You're going to swivel your right foot, heel, toe, heel. And then you're going to need your right foot to start over, so don't put your weight on it either. So the last 8 is stomp, heel, toe, heel. Pick it up, stomp, heel, toe, heel. Pick it up and start again. The counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's it. Let's put it all together from the top, 2 walls. With words and then with counts. With the right foot, with words. 5, 6, right heel, and right heel, left heel, and twist and turn, twist and turn. Right heel, left heel, twist and turn, twist and turn. Scuff, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, stomp, heel, toe, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel. Yes, then we start over on our second wall, wall 6. Okay, with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. 1 restart, wall 5. After 16 counts, it'll look just like this. 2, 3, 4. So it starts on your home wall, but you restart on your back wall. So it looks like this after 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Restart now. So you do that 4 times. Then you do your lock step. So 1 restart. You can hear it in the music. Have fun. Next Girl. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe, thumbs up. Bye.